Hey, what's up? I'm Styler, and in this video I will show you two cameras from Panasonic. And the reason is that some people sometimes ask me what camera I'm using in my videos, and actually I have been used the small one here, the Panasonic V250. But lately I actually upgraded to another model here, and this is the Panasonic V757. And this one here has more features and a bigger lens, of course. And let's just compare here. You see here the front of these two. And right now I'm actually recording this with another camera. I'm recording this video here with the Sony NEX-C3, so the quality will not be as good as when I record my videos with this one here. And one of the new features in the upgrade model here is that it also supports slow motion up to 120 frames per second, so you can do really nice videos in slow motion. And of course it has other features like NFC. This version here also support NFC, but almost all features from this version are included in the upgraded version here. Let's just have a look. So my main problem with the Sony that I'm filming with right now is that the focus, the autofocus is not that good. In a camcorder, the autofocus when you're doing close-up shots, what I often do when I show the phones for you, it's important that the autofocus is working fast and stable. So in a camcorder this is much better. So let's just check here. Let me just demonstrate here. You see here already now here the autofocus in the Sony camera here is not as good, but it's okay. And it's because the Sony camera I'm using right now is not a camcorder. It's actually a small compact system camera, so you can't compare that with a real camcorder. But let's see what we have here. For example, here we have here this wheel here, and you can use this to control the menus, or you can, for example, the focus when in the manual, you can use this to adjust this, and you can also click here. It's also a button. So we also see it support optical image stabilization. We have the Panasonic Full HD. We have the model number. It makes 24 megapixel stills, support SD cards. And on this side here you of course insert the battery. We have here a shoe adapter, so you insert here. We have here the button to start the filming, the recording, and we have here, so you can plug in the 5-volt DC charger. Then on this side we also have here for headphones. And here, this one will open automatically when you turn on the camera. We have here a LED flash, so you can have light when it's dark, and also this one can turn on automatically when the sensor see it's dark, so you don't have to think about it. We also see here the 29.5mm wide optical zoom, and it's 49mm. And here in the top we see we have 50 times eye zoom. We have here the microphones, and of course we have 5.1 channel zoom. We have here a windshield. This is for the NFC, and we have here for the volume. You can zoom with these. These are for still pictures. Okay, let's have a look here in the bottom of the camera. We see here you can mount. This is on a stand, and let's see, open up. So what we see here is the screen here. It's a touch screen, and it's almost frameless. It's really nice. Of course you can tilt this around. And let's have a look what we else have here. We have here for the micro USB, we have HDMI and AV. And we have here also input for external microphone, so this is important. because in my smaller version here there is no support for external microphone, so you could only use the microphone built into the camera, so that's why I'm also upgrading to this one. We also see here, we have here the shoe adapter release button, and here we have here to switch from filming, or can play the movies on the card. And then we have here for the angles and tilting. We have here for the Wi-Fi and the power button. We have here a button to release the battery. Okay. So that's it for the external and the design of this camera here. The Panasonic HC-V757. And I believe in other countries you can't even get this model. In some countries it's called HC-V770 only, and that model is actually an upgraded version of this one here, but it's also much more expensive. This one here I didn't buy brand new. This one here is used in about 3 months, and I bought this from eBay to about half the price of the normal price. This one here I bought in the store to full price, but the price on these two are nearly the same, only 50 euro difference actually. So I would say it's a good buy, and currently I'm selling this one here. Actually it's already sold. So my future videos will be with this one, and hopefully also with better sound. Okay, so in the rest of the video I will just compare the external, and I will not speak, just have a look. Okay, so what you see here is two pulp filters, and actually I bought these two really cheap on eBay, only 12 euro. So what these will do I will tell you in a minute. Okay, let us have a look here on this one here. So it says UV series, and actually this is not really a filter, it's more like a protection glass. Let's just have a look. Let me open up, and here you can see it. Okay, let's have a look. So we see it's just like a pure glass that you attach here on the front. Okay, so here you see it's attached now. So it's protecting here the front of the camera. So the most interesting filter is this one, of course. So what this does is it can remove reflections, and it can make the colors deeper and better. And here in the top we see it's 49mm, so this will fit on this camera from Panasonic I have. Zoom up, and here we see the filter, and you can see it's darker, but I will test this in a minute. So let's see how I can attach this. So actually I can attach this filter on top on the UV filter, or I can also attach this directly into the camera. Let's see it from the front. You can see it's really dark now here. Okay, so now I will demonstrate how this filter works, and I will switch to the camera so you can see the result. And here you can see reflections here in this phone here. So I will try to remove this reflection with the pol filter. And here you see it's gone. I just adjust the pol filter and no reflection. Adjust again and the reflection is there again. So that's it. If you have any questions regarding these cameras, please comment below, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.